Okay, now we're recording. This is Travis. Say hi, Travis.
Hi.
And this is Toby. Say hi,
Hey.
Toby. And Toby's going to tell us all about Super Mario.
Well, first need Father keep this. Well, let's let my brother talk.
Are you going to say something about Super Mario?
Huh?
Say something about Super Mario.
Mario.
What's your favorite part of Mario?
Mario.
What do you like about Mario?
Mario the Luigi.
Luigi?
Yeah.
Okay, get your finger out of your mouth. People are watching now. They don't want to see your finger in your mouth. What's your favorite part of Mario?
Being Luigi and completing all the levels.
How many levels have you completed?
All of them except for the last one.
So you're almost an expert.
Uh-huh.
Okay. What about you? Are you an expert, Travis?
Yep.
You are?
Yep.
How many levels have you completed?
Give us my wire and my cartoon.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't
Fly
understand the words that are
over.
coming out of your mouth.
Yeah, he's pretty crazy, and he's only 2.
And how old are you?
6.
Okay, now
Almost, actually 6.5. I'm almost 7. And just my Iron Man costume.
he's going to get an Iron Man costume?
I already had an Iron Man costume, TJ.
All right, get back in the picture. Okay. Are we done now, guys?
Yeah,
Now you're famous on YouTube. Say bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.